What you reading, Eric?
About the little engine and the toys it brings. It's a birthday train, and tomorrow's my birthday.
Haha, a birthday train full of toys? I just can't believe you really believe that.
Sure I do. It'll come.
Don't hold your breath, because there's not going to be any little engines or birthday trains coming here.
It'll come. I know it will. I know it will. I know it will. I know it will. Chip. Get up, lazy bird. Leave me alone, Tilly. I couldn't sleep all night. Chip, have you been eating those green worms again? Yeah. Well, a little work will get you going.
Such as I should never get up this early. It's bad for our chug.
Oh, that's silly, Farnsworth.
What would you know about it? You're just a little switch engine moving real engines around the train yard.
Hey, what do you mean, real engines?
Stop squabbling! We can't waste a minute!
What is the assignment that I shall do so extremely well?
You take that passenger train over the mountain to the town.
Consider it done.
Keep 'em rolling, Tilly.
Come on, Pete.
Careful, kid. Don't bust a boiler.
Ha! Are you kidding? Hold on to your smokestack. Boy, Tilly sure fired up this morning.
Pete's sake, Pete, watch that smoke.
Yeah. Where to today, boss?
See that freight train? Over the mountain to the town.
Not do it, boss. Be back in a flash.
Oh, no! Tilly, where's that milk train?
Hey, aren't y'all forgetting Jebediah?
Shh! I don't want to wake him up.
But Jebediah pulls the milk train.
Not today. I have a plan.
So you still want a train to pull?
Hey, I'm an engine, aren't I?
Settle down, girl. I'm on your side. Fact is, honey, I wouldn't mind if you were pulling a train for me. I got a little hitch in my chug along this morning. But you better get going.
Thanks, Georgia.
Jebediah! Get that milk train rolling!
On my way, Tower.
What kind of joke is this?
It's no joke. I can do it.
You're too little, kid.
What do you know, you overgrown stack of lumber? She is not too little. Big blowhard.
What y'all got for me today, Tower?
That load of toys and stuff over there.
Oh, happy day, the birthday train. But it's empty.
Rollo the clown is loading now, so get going.
Yes, sir. Don't you worry, Tilly. You'll have a train of your own someday.
I hope I can. I hope I can.
Are you ready?
Raring to roll, Rollo.
Okay, Jeepers!
What's the rush? They'll never fit in there.
Coming.
Stretch and Missy!
That sounds like the most wonderful train ever. Don't worry, Tilly. You'll get your chance. I hope I do.
It is my honor to say, that is, I am pleased to announce, that it's time to...
Oh, come on, let's go!
I could do that.
Are you still dreaming? You and that dumb train.
It's not dumb.
It's worse than dumb. It's not even real.
It will come. I know it will. I know it will.
Why did we stop?
Yeah, like she said.
I don't know. Something went spoiling, and I just stopped. I sure am sorry.
I knew it! I knew it! We'll never get over the mountain. I knew it.
Does it hurt?
Oh, no, Jeepers, it doesn't hurt, but I can't go either.
As director, that is head, that is leader of the playthings or toys, I'll go for aid, assistance, help, SOS kind of thing, you know.
Well, how about if I just signal for help?
I know. How about if we just signal for help?
Doot, doot, doot.
Tilly, something's wrong.
It's Georgia, and she's in trouble.
Doc, train in trouble.
It's Georgia and the birthday train.
There's no time to lose. Say toot. Well, you'll be all right. It's just a bent spungermunger. But there won't be any mountain climbing for a few days.
But Doc, we've got to get the birthday train over that, the thing, that big, lump, that mountain, today.
I'm sorry. I've got to get Georgia back to the roundhouse.
But
Why not just flag down another engine?
Yeah. Farnsworth and Pete'll be along soon enough.
Right! Of course, that's what I'll do. I was just about to say that. I know an engine will come along. I'm sure it will. I think. Maybe. Pete. See? I told you so. Did I know or what?
You're lucky, that's what.
What do you think you're doing?
Oh, what this clown's trying to tell you is that our engine has broken down, and the boys and girls on the other side of the mountain won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us.
Yeah.
I pull you. I have just pulled a fine passenger train over the mountain. There is pulling smoothly, so fine people can enjoy the view, and so other fine people can sleep comfortably, and so other fine people in the dining car can eat. I pull the likes of you. Indeed, 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 indeed.
We aren't gonna make it.
Well, he's not the only engine in the world.
I didn't think he was the right one for us anyway.